Hello. Welcome to this quick demonstration on how to print an order entry invoice, wherein the header information will just be displayed on the first page, while the footer information will just be on the last page. Or if there's only one page, then the header and footer information will just be shown in the same page. All right. So this will be using the if statement, just validating the pages in here. All right, so let's just go to that PowerPoint presentation. Just make sure that you download the PowerPoint, and let's have a look at the printed document, sample printed document template. And we'll just put it here. Bear with me. Okay, so this is the statement now, or this is the printed document template. So Alt F9, Alt F9 to shift from one to another. And with the formula in here, if you look at the footer information, it's just validate that if, um, and this will be using as well the same as previous functionality of Word. All right, so you can make use of that. So on the footer information, though, you will see here that if page, is equal to the number of pages. If the page number is equal to the number of pages, then display this one. Display this information like electronic transfer required. We cannot accept check until bank account. Then, if it's not, if the current page number is not equal to the total number of pages, then just show blank, meaning the footer should just be blank. So that's the concept of this one here anyway. So it's the if statement validating the page that you are in now versus the total number of pages. Then again, if the page number here is equal to the total number of pages, then display this information to indicate that it is actually the last page. However, if the current page number is not equal to the total number of pages, then just show it blank, just to indicate that it is not the last page yet. So it should be blank, right? Okay, so let's put this into action. So I'll close this one here, and let me just show you the intact instance that we will be using here. Okay, so I have these two order entry transaction. So one is this, it's just one line. So I would envisage that there would only be one page when you print it, but this one here has multiple lines. I have at least 20 lines in here. All right, so let's have a look if we try to print this document. So let's start with, either way, you can just view it and print it from there, or you can just click on print here because I've already tagged the printed document template to this transaction definition. So let's start first with the um, first one here, which only has one line entry. All right, so if I click on OK and print, and you will notice in here that you have the header information and you have the footer information, right? So we know that the header information has been defined from that sample template to be just be on the first page. However, we've made use of if statement that if the number of page is equal to the total number of pages, then show this information, which is true, right? And let's close that one then. And let's have a look at this other example. So this one has multiple pages in it. So if I click on print or email and just print there, notice the difference in here. So we know that this is the header information, which is just shown on the first page, which is great. However, you will see here that um, you have multiple pages, right? So you have two pages in here, basically. So we have one and two pages in here. But this first page in here is that the page number is not equal to the total number of pages, which is two, then it will just be blank. However, the second page, as we know, it's equal to the number of pages. So just display the footer information. All right. So hopefully this is a help in designing the printed document template wherein the header information, no matter what or no matter how many pages you have, will just show on the first page, but the footer information will just show on the last page. Hope this helps. Thank you.